In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a new user in Salesforce step by step, keeping security and best practices in mind. This action requires administrative permissions, so make sure you're logged in with the proper access. Click the gear icon and go to Setup, then use the Quick Find box to search for users and open the users page. Review the existing list first to avoid duplicates and confirm available licenses, since each new user consumes a license. Click New, then carefully enter the user's name and email address, which Salesforce uses to send the activation link. Select the appropriate user license and profile, as these control what features and data the person can access. It's best practice to assign the minimum permissions needed and expand later if required. After saving, Salesforce sends an activation email for the user to complete setup and verify identity. Subscribe for more clear Salesforce tutorials.